Do you know what's silently causing thousands of new traders in France to lose money without even realizing it? It's not because they're trading the wrong way, and it's not a lack of skill either. The truth is, they chose the wrong broker from the very beginning. A decision that seems small at first, but it's often the silent reason why their accounts vanish in just a few weeks. In this video, I'm going to show you the 5 most trusted Forex brokers in France for 2025. And I'll also reveal the hidden traps you must avoid if you don't want to pay the price with your own money. Did you know that nearly 3/4 of new traders in France lose money within their first year? And it's not because of poor strategies or bad execution, it's because they picked the wrong platform. Behind those fancy websites and generous offers are often hidden dangers: high spreads, slow order execution, and worst of all, no valid license to operate in Europe. If you're just getting started with Forex trading in France, this video might help you avoid costly mistakes right from the first step. I'll walk you through the 5 most reliable brokers for 2025 and expose the silent red flags that can wipe out your capital if ignored. A lot of beginners get drawn in by flashy ads that promise things like 90% profits in just 60 seconds. But in reality, most of these promises come from brokers that aren't even licensed in Europe, and are often hiding high spreads, poor execution speed, or using risky OTC trading models. One of the most common mistakes? Choosing a broker based on how pretty the website looks or how attractive their bonuses seem, instead of checking for transparency and safety. Today, I'm going to help you avoid that mistake. Let's go over the 5 essential things you must check before opening any trading account in France. 1. The broker must be licensed, ideally by trusted regulators like the AMF, SISEC, or FCA. 2. Spreads must be low and all trading fees clearly disclosed. Avoid platforms with hidden charges. 3. The trading platform should be smooth, stable, and user-friendly. It's even better if it supports MT4, MT5, or a fast web-based version. 4. French language support is a big plus, especially if the broker has a local customer service team or hotline in France. 5. The broker should offer demo accounts and ideally features like copy trading or trading bots, perfect for beginners. Now, here are the top 5 trusted Forex brokers in France for 2025. First is Saxo Bank, a Danish broker with a long-standing reputation and full regulatory compliance in France. Their platform is professional, spreads are low, but it's more suitable for experienced traders. Second is eToro, headquartered in Israel, but fully licensed to operate in France via the AMF. Its biggest strength? An extremely beginner-friendly interface that works great on both phones and tablets. And of course, its famous copy trade feature lets you mirror the trades of successful investors. Spreads are slightly higher, but the overall experience is worth it. Third is IC Markets, based in Australia, known for ultra-low spreads, sometimes as low as 0.1 pips. Fast execution, full MT4 and MT5 support. They don't have a local office in France, but it's a great choice for anyone comfortable trading globally. Next is Admiral Markets, headquartered in Europe and regulated by SISEC. They offer French language support, demo accounts, and a strong focus on education. A very smart pick for new traders looking for step-by-step guidance and security. And finally, XTB, a fast-growing broker in the European market. Modern interface, optimized web platform, no commissions, and live educational sessions right inside the platform. Ideal for beginners. Remember, choosing a broker is like choosing a business partner. You need transparency, fast execution, and clear protection for your capital. Don't blindly trust ads or what's shown on the homepage. Always read real user feedback, check financial reports, and if possible, start with a demo account to test things out before investing real money. The road to profit doesn't start with green numbers. It starts with choosing the right platform to place your trust in. A broker with low spreads, fast execution, and local support in France will give you the strong foundation you need to trade safely and effectively. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit subscribe to stay updated with the latest Forex insights in France. I've included links to open demo accounts and compare spreads in the description below. Take your time to review them carefully before deciding. Thanks for watching until the end. I'll see you in the next video, where I'll share a powerful strategy built specifically for the European trading sessions.